What are you going to do with that? Arr. I'm sticking everything in your mouth now, huh? Is that a monkey? Is that a monkey? There's a dragonfly. What are you going to do with it? Drooly McDroolerson? You have the hiccups. Big old wet thing coming out here. There you go. Grab the monkey. Ah! You're very funny.